you want to say in your video?
Pizza cheese.
No, what were you going to say in the video?
I don't know.
Why were we doing a video?
Grandma Peggy's birthday next week.
Tomorrow. What are we going to say to Grandma Peggy?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Grandma Peggy. Happy birthday to you.
Turn around and say, we love you, Grandma Peggy.
We love you, Grandma Peggy.
Jacob! Jacob!
Yes.
Hi, Jacob.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Jacob! Jacob, baby. Hi, buddy.
Baby bouncing.
No, you're not allowed to jump in that bed. Jacob! Hi, Jacob. Say bye-bye. Say see you later. Bye-bye, Jacob.
Bye. Bye.